This is Eureka Math Module 15, and today we are working with perpendicular line segments, okay? So the last couple days we've been doing parallel, which look like this, right? Parallel lines. And now we're going to use perpendicular lines, okay? Perpendicular means that they come together at a point, and that point is at a 90-degree angle, okay? So let's go straight to the Learn Book. I'm going to try and go through this a little bit quickly because I'm running short on time. Because recess is almost over and you're going to come back, and so I want to finish this. Okay, so lesson 15 problem set. Circle the pairs of segments that are perpendicular. Okay, first of all, you know that that is not a 90-degree angle. So you know that that is not perpendicular. This one right here, well, almost perpendicular, but I don't think that's a 90-degree angle. If you want to get out your protractor, you could test it, but I don't think that's a 90-degree angle, so I'm going to say no. I think that looks to me more like, I'm turning my head so I can see it better. I think that's an 80-degree angle, not a 90-degree angle. So I'm going to put 80 there. This one right here, that is 90 degrees, okay? So this one is definitely perpendicular, and that is an obtuse angle, so that's way more than 90, not 90 degrees. This one is also 90 degrees, even though it's on its side. So 90-degree angle. Sometimes you have to turn your head. That one is a 90-degree angle right here. Okay. So this one, and this one, and this one is also a 90-degree angle. Okay, just because they didn't line up with the grid paper does not mean that those aren't 90-degree perpendicular lines. In the space below, use your right triangle templates to draw at least 3 different sets of perpendicular lines. Okay, so you need to use a ruler and a protractor, unless you have a right angle, and you need to create 3 right angle perpendicular lines. There's one, okay, and I can go the other direction. There's 2, and I can go this way as well. That's 3, okay? Make sure that those are 90 degrees. Use your rulers. If you turn this in without using your ruler, I will get upset. Draw a segment perpendicular to each given segment. Show your thinking by sketching triangles as needed. Okay, so if this one is here, I'm going to have to go right, oops, sorry. Okay. One, there's a 90-degree angle right there. Okay. And here, I can just go straight out like that. Do you see how I use the corners here, these points, to help me with that one? Well, so I did the same thing when I drew this line there. I used this point, and this point, because I know that those are perfectly intersecting lines, and that is a right angle. Okay, on this one I can't do it so much, but let's see. Okay, what I could do is draw a perpendicular line, right? See that perpendicular line? And then I know that I need to go straight across both lines, and then this one right here is my, this is my parallel line, this is my perpendicular line right there, okay? And one last one. Okay, let's see, I'm going to do that again. That was helpful to me. Wait a minute. Let me see. Maybe I'll go down one here, and here. No, wait, that's not perpendicular either. Wait a minute. Give me a second. Parallel line. Okay, so here I want to go down. And here I want to go down. I'm going to draw that line. That's a parallel line here. And then my perpendicular line is going to go straight across both of them. And I'm going to make sure that this is a 90-degree angle. Okay. And this is just a strategy that I'm using. There's lots of different strategies. Okay? Draw two different lines perpendicular to E. Okay, perpendicular to E. So I want to draw a 90-degree angle here. Ooh, that's not 90, is it? And you can use a straight edge, the corner of a book or something. Okay, the corner of a ruler. There. So this is a 90-degree angle, and that is a 90-degree angle. And those are perpendicular lines. Okay, pretty easy today, super easy. So circle the pairs of segments that are perpendicular. Use your compass, your protractor, meant to say your protractor, use a straight edge. Make sure it's 90-degree angles. Oh, Mr. Skelton is singing opera in the next room. And draw your right angles. Use a ruler. Make a straight edge. Don't just hand draw it. Don't hand draw it. We will send it back to you. There's your lesson 15 homework. And your lesson 15 exit ticket, perpendicular. Okay, make sure that you are drawing perpendicular lines. Cross them at a 90-degree angle. Make sure that they're perfect. And have a great rest of your day.